Hey, what's up, guys? This is Neil from Prospect Snow and Wake, and today we're getting a little bit more dirty in the shop here. We're going to start building some cores, and so if you didn't know, we make all of our cores from scratch, A to Z here. So let me just show you a little bit about what we're doing today. So this is kind of how we order our lumber for the wood cores, and you can see that it's just a raw board, and so every board comes in like this. And what we have to do is we have to cut out these smaller stringers to kind of assemble a pattern or a series of these guys. So that's what this machine is. This is actually what they call a gang saw, and this gang saw has basically like multiple like table saw blades in there, so that it cuts out, like 3 or 4 stringers at a time. And vicious dog alert. That's River. And so kind of in feeds through here. It's a modified planer that we kind of built in house here, and so it goes in through here, comes out there, and it's all cut up. And so what the result is one of these guys. So this is a core blank here. So this is all glued. These are all the stringers that we cut out, glued together. And in the inside this, you can see that this piece of wood is a little bit of a different shade than the rest. This is maple here. So this is a harder wood that is great for like retaining the inserts, so that you don't actually like pull those through if you go for the guys that are going big. And then on the outside, this is all poplar, and these are all domestic woods that come from right here in the USA. The poplar is lightweight and super clear. You see that there's not really any knots going on in there. A little bit of like color difference, but there's no knots. And that clear wood is essential for getting like equal flex patterns and stuff like that. And then just overall strength. So what we end up with is a core blank just like this. And so we kind of put that on the CNC machine over here, and then we have to profile that down for thickness. And then this guy right here is a big sander, and so it's kind of got this in-feed table, and then we send it through with a template, and that template kind of will shave off the ends. And with that sander, we can actually get awesome accuracy. I mean, we're talking this is a machine template that we can get our thickness tolerances down to just a few thousandths of an inch. I mean, we're talking a few hair widths apart. And so what we're looking to do is we're trying to get this wake core super flat and across the whole width, so that when we lay the fiberglass over it, then it's just one equal plane. And then that's what makes our boards ultra strong, is just the tolerances and that flat plane, giving it just added strength. So there will be more updates. It's not really all that fun to watch this machine run because it's just loud and dusty, but I'll post another update with kind of what results, and just follow along with the build. Peace, guys.